Hi, today we will talk about how to fix your problem or that's problem you have on your Instagram. You will just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here like you say, and you will go down, then you will click here on apps, then you come to apps window here like you say, and you will just go down here to looking for Instagram app. We will click here on Instagram, then we come to next window here like you say, or app info. We'll click here on for stop, then you will click here on OK, and you will click here on storage, then we come to storage window. You will just click here on clear cache, then you will click here on clear data, and you will just go to Play Store and update your Instagram app, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video about all Instagram settings.